Hello everyone, my name is Keith, and in this video we're talking about how to charge the Mavic 2 controller. This video also pertains to the Mavic Air, Mavic Pro, and Spark. I didn't realize how common of a question this was going to be until someone asked it in my Facebook group right when the Mavic 2 came out, and then when the Mavic Air came out it was asked again. And really, there's only two ways to charge this controller, and they both use this side port right here on the side. This is a weird square connection, but at the end of the day, it's just a micro USB connection. So you can use a regular standard micro USB cable, if that'll focus. This is just a standard regular USB cable, but whenever you plug it in, be careful because this port is square and this is definitely not a square. So the fatter side goes down, so you can just plug it in and it'll make like a nice secure lock, but just be sure to plug it in the right way. There is a small little bar on the bottom of the connector that goes down. If you look, you'll see it. It's not very hard to see. But you can plug this into a USB battery, your computer, a wall outlet, anything, and it will charge from 0% in about 2.5 hours to 100%. The second way to charge, and probably the most popular way to charge the Mavic 2 Pro Zoom, regular Pro, Mavic Air, and Spark controllers is using the supplied controller or the supplied charger that comes with your drone. And the Mavic 2 kind of has like a sneaky, on the other ones it's like jetting out the side, but this one, it actually is made into the side of the controller. So a lot of people don't see this when they're charging their drones, even like when they're using it for a while, they just keep using micro USB. But this on the side of the regular charger that comes with your Mavic 2, you can plug this straight into the side of your Mavic 2 controller. And again, this is a micro USB connection, so it's not that square connection that's on the side of your controller, which is really weird. I don't know why DJI did that. I wish that they would just use USB-C for everything or just use micro USB for everything. So I tried to keep this video as short as possible. If you like these quick style videos, please like, subscribe, and comment below and let me know. I will make more of these just kind of rapid fire videos for you guys in the future, answering quick questions. So thank you guys for sticking around to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.